Yes, good morning. The last class we discussed the thing is what the second integration of sine nx dx. It is already completed. Integration of cos nx dx, which is already completed. The next thing the recent last class tan nx dx, integration of cot nx dx also, which were already completed. We complete the things regarding these questions applications sine power 4x dx as I call tan power 4x dx. Now, whatever the power nth order we can do, irrespective of the applications methodology, the different what we taught, you can directly apply the nth order derivation which are already having. The formula you can apply that, then you'll get the answer directly. Whatever the order, if you go for sine power 12x dx also, you get your answer. There's no worry about that. Regarding this, we are deriving the expressions also. So this two already done. This two already it is done. Now we are going to discuss the rest of the thing. Cosecant power nx dx, the secant power nx dx that we have to discuss now. I think clear the last things. Now let us we have to start the discussion. In integration of cosecant power nx dx. So this is a question. It is where we need to derive the things. So nth order derivation cosecant inverse we are going to hear. The step number one, the average cases I was telling, we need to do some extra work for that. What I have to do is cosecant power nx dx. For this, I am going to add cosecant power n minus 2 x and a cosecant square x. Cosecant square x dx. It's already available. This is step number. Extra, you need to add this term cosecant power minus 2 and cosecant square x. What I have to do? Cosecant power minus 2x and the cosecant square x. So rest of answer will get same answer. Square that power to negative power should go to. This is the step number one. So immediately the question pattern I'm trying to change. The in is equal to the cosecant power n into minus 2. Automatically it becomes cosecant power n minus 2x into cosecant square x. Okay, dx. Still there's no doubt at all. So here you have no need to change anything. We can directly apply the format what we have learned in the previous classes. We have to go for UV format. It has to go for UV format. This is the term you understanding it to the U. This is the term you need to understanding it is you need to apply UV format. So let us we need to go for the analysis what you have previously. The U is equal to cosecant power n minus 2x. Then V is equal to integration of the cosecant square x dx. U is equal to this. Rest of the things will go. The U analysis according to Eilert that I already discussed in the previous classes. So you can look into that. UV. For the starting stage, I was already clear discussion. Now what we have to do? Du unit find out because U is over. Then du is equal to du by dx is equal to cosecant power n minus 2, which is nothing but x power n model. X power n model. X power n model means integration. Oh, sorry, differentiation of x power n model. What is the formula? D by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, like that n into x power n minus 1. Then d by dx of internal derivative, that is cosecant x. Clear? The next step du is equal to n minus 2 into cosecant power n minus 2 minus 1 n minus 3. D by dx of cosecant x is the formula is minus cosecant x cos x. Remember minus cosecant x cot x. So finally the du is equal to du by dx it is dx you can write. So finally the answer is minus n minus 2 into cosecant power n minus 3 n minus 3 and 1 is the right cosecant power. So n minus 3 plus 1, this is plus 1. Totally cosecant power minus 3 plus 1, it becomes minus 2. I can write directly cosecant power n minus 2. Clear? What is there? Cot x is there. So I am writing it as cot x. No doubt at all. Cosecant power du is equal to minus n minus 2 into cosecant power n minus 2 into cot x. There is no doubt at all. So du also clear. So when you're applying a formula of UV analysis, we require the value of u. we require the value of V and we require the value of du. Next, what is the value of V, Nana? Integration of cosecant square x, right? What is the value of integration of cosecant square x? Cosecant square x is equal to minus cot x. This is the value of V. V du and V. These are all enough to apply that. So now extension you need to apply the next page. In is equal to the integration of cosecant power n minus x dx is equal to, we are going to apply integration of the UV format you are trying to apply for the previous case. The format of UV is what is the formula? UV integration of VDU. This is discussed already done in the previous classes. So now let us apply the IN is equal to, what is the value of U analysis? Cosecant power n minus 2 into V nothing minus cot x. So minus cot x. Then minus integration of VDU. VDU means what? What is the value of V? Minus cot x. And what is the value of du, Nana? What's the value of du? Minus n minus 2 cot power cosecant power n minus 2 into cot x. This is what you do. So minus n minus 2 into cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x. Still now there is no discussion, there is no doubt at all. Now next step, In is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2 into x into cot x. Then here minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Automatically here it should be minus only. So minus. So I'll try to take out the n minus 2 is a common, it's available. So this is a constant, I shall take it out. The rest of the things. What is this? I'll write first. Cosecant power n minus 2 x into cot to square x into dx. Okay, still here there's no doubt. This is the UV format. Your analysis is, you can take it as a step number 2 analysis. Step number 2 UV analysis, what we are going to apply. Now step number 3 is the cot to square is equal to, what I am trying to write is down cosecant square x minus 1, because as we know 1 plus cot square is equal to what? Cosecant square x. From this, the cot to square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1. This I'm trying to write in the next step. Similarly, In is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x minus n minus 2 into integration of cosecant power n minus 2x into cot square x, nothing but what? Cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. This I wrote, rewritten off from this. Now you should multiply into inside. In is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x minus n minus 2 into integration of cosecant power n minus 2 into cosecant square x. So n minus 2 plus 2. Automatically, what you can get? N minus 2 plus 2. What you get? Plus 2 minus cosecant power nx dx. Okay. Then minus into minus plus, because here minus will come. Minus n minus 2 into this over. Next minus n minus 1 into this one. So plus into integration. Sorry, n minus 2 into integration of cosecant power n minus 2x into dx. Still this no problem at all. No doubt anything. So it was very clear. I was told you. Clear? Who have any doubt? Once again, I try to read back. So your thing is very simple. This n minus 2, you're multiplying with the entire the thing. This you multiply with this first case. So cosecant for n minus 2 into square. So n minus 2 plus 2. This is cancel, cosecant for n only will come. So n minus 2 into this. And after cosecant for n minus 2 into 1, cosecant for n minus 2 1. Because n minus 2 is there, minus of n minus 2 also multiplier of this entire thing. So that is what the n minus minus into minus plus. So this is I wrote. Okay. So here I'm trying to rewrite it as one word. Then I next step I write directly. Here I'll try to write. because in is equal to cosecant power nx and dx. So automatically the cosecant power n minus nx dx is equal to, can I write in? Definitely. Similarly, the cosec integration of cosecant power n minus 2, I can write it is in minus 2. In minus 2. So next next step, I'll try to copy the answer what he has to write it down. So in is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2 into cot x minus or this minus n minus 2 into in plus in minus 2. Still any doubt? Sorry, n minus 2 is available, right? That I should take copy. N minus 2 into in minus 2. Still is no doubt at all. So here our indentation in, if here in we have, here one more in we have, to left it, all terms you should back to left. So this term should be coming to left side. So automatically the entire thing, it goes to what I has to do, in plus n minus 2 into in left side, because this entire part should shifted to left side. Next, what is the right side? Minus cosecant power n minus 2x to cot x plus n minus 2 into in minus 2. Next, here after the simplification, what you are going to expect it is, if you take in as a common, 1 plus n minus 2 will come. So after this, what is the 1 plus n minus 2? So automatically, the resultant value n minus 1 will come. Plus or minus n minus 1 will come. So what is the answer here? In into n minus 1 will come. But your requirement is what? In only want to calculate it as. So directly I can write the answer here. In is equal to this n minus 1, I'll shift it to right side. So in is equal to, I'll write directly answer for the sake of your own understanding. So in is equal to integration of cosecant power nx dx is equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2 into x into cot x by n minus 1, because this n minus 1 send back to it, because I want only in, plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 into in minus 2. This is the final answer, what you're going to expect for the given derivation. This is the cosecant x, how you are going to do this is very important scenario. Remember the formula, the rest of the things are LKG things. So trying to reback what are the things are important for you. The what we're having it is cosecant power dx, we are going to analysis this, you are working over there. Here the thing is what, first you take it in is the question. The step one is what, the you need to multiply and do nothing but multiplying inverse cosecant power minus 2 cosecant square. This is the step number 1. After step number 2, what you have to do, you have to take entire question, you have to start writing to integrate. This is look like we need to start doing integration of UV model. UV conversion. This is the step number 2. UV things already you know what are the things are available, because U is equal to this, the rest of the things are going to V. And after du is equal to cosecant power n minus 2, automatically x power n model n into x power n minus 1. This is n part n minus 1. So now internal derivative of x is cosecant x. So cosecant x we have to do. So cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. After simplified, you got du value. So integration of cosecant square x equal to minus cot x. This I wrote. After this, as we know, the integration of uv is equal to uv model uv minus integration of v du. It's a formula we are already discussed. Same formula, according to that, they start applying the methodology. After this here, minus into minus plus, automatic minus I will again take it out. N minus 2 is a constant value, I'll taking out. Cosecant power n minus 2 cot square x. Step number 3 is here, cot 2 square x, I can write cosecant square x minus 1 for my convenient, because the terms are all cosecant, that's what I should convert it to cosecant square x to make it simplify. Cosecant power n minus 2 into cosecant square x, inside I must trying to multiply. So n minus 2 into square answer is cosecant power n dx will come. Then minus will come. Next case, minus into minus plus I got. So it is. Step number 4 is cosecant power n dx is in. Cosecant power, if it is n minus 2 will come, automatically I can write n minus 2. These two steps I was updated in the next page. After this, your requirement is IN calculation. Here also IN, here also IN. All IN should be sent to right, left side. So automatically IN is there plus because n minus 1 in n minus 2 is there. This n minus 2 should come back to the left side. Okay, clear this I got. So n minus 2 into IN. This is clear, no doubt at all. After this, we are trying to find out IN value. So IN is common. So IN is equal to this. After this, one IN is common. 1 plus n minus 2 into IN. So 1 plus n minus 2, I should write it out. N minus 1. So IN into n minus 1. We want only IN value. That is for n minus 2, the multiplier. I should back to division. So the entire step you got it is. Still this is no problem at all. Clear, any doubt? It is still is clear, I think so. There's no doubt at all. After this, the extension question also available. The people are asking to find out the integration of cosecant power 4x dx. So nothing but n is the place of, they are telling it is 4. So nothing, no problem at all. We have a answer, we have a formula, we should apply that. Cosecant power means I power 4 you need to calculate. Okay, that is the question. So for this, first you know what is the value of in, the formula. In, what is the formula? Integration of cosecant power x, cosecant power n minus 2 into cot x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 in minus 2. This is the formula just before we derive. Same n replaced by 4. So I4 is equal to cosecant power 4 minus 2 x into cot x by 4 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 I4 minus 2. Nothing but this is I2. Next, I4 is equal to minus cosecant power 3x into cot x by 3 plus 4 minus 2 to 4 minus 2 by 3. This is I2. So I2, you can substitute over here once again. Rewrite it. I2 is equal to what? Again, the formula should be applicable. Cosecant power 2 minus 1x by 2 minus 1 into cot x plus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into I2 minus 2. This is nothing but I0. I told you I0 is equal to value of x. So I can write the final answer. I power 4 is equal to integration of cosecant power 4x dx is equal to minus cosecant cube x by 3. This is plus into minus minus 2 by 3 cosecant 2 minus 1 cosecant power x by 1 into cot x 2 minus 1 is 1 by 1 is 1. Integration of I naught is x. Many times I told you integration, wherever integration I naught is there, you can write just x. So just plus c. This is the final answer for integration of cosecant power 4x dx. I think we got your expected answers. If anything else we are missing, please look into that very clearly. The thing is that just unit to simplification is much more important other than doing other things. Clear or any doubt it is? In minus 2 all. Just you need to do the calculation how we are going to calculate one thing, one has to go into consideration. It is clear. Okay, still any more doubt? It's very simple calculation. But if whatever the 5 is mentioned, 4 is mentioned, you can go as looking into that as your formula. You have to do it. So I was went to cosecant power 4x dx. I think your textbook they mention it is cosecant power 5x dx. So your textbook they mention IP textbook. For a continuation of the thing, because examination they'll give the direct question that I'll try to go that also. Nothing at I power 5 is equal to what is the thing you are going to get? Minus cosecant power 5 minus what is the formula we're having? It is n minus 2 x into cot x by n minus 1, right? 5 minus. This is n minus 2 means 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1. I 5 minus 2. It is nothing but I3 you got. So extension is I5 is equal to minus cosecant power 4x dx cot x by 4 plus 3 by 4. What is the value of I3? Please substitute over again formula. So cosecant power 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 2, right? 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1. Am I clear or not? I3 is equal to Yes, 3 minus 1. Okay, plus n minus 1 by n minus 2 by n minus 1. So 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1. Am I clear, right? 3 minus 1 into I 3 minus 2. Still clear? This becomes, we have a I value. So I5 is equal to minus cosecant power 4x cot x by 4. So this is minus into minus, automatically minus 3 will come. I think so. Minus 3 by 3 minus 2 to 4 to the 8 cosecant x. Okay. So still any more missing terms which are available? 3 by 8. Cosecant x cot x is there. Here I should write cot x. So cot x plus 3 by 4 into here 1 will come, here 2 will come. Again it is 3 by 8. So what is the value of I1? Again once he has to do the derivation. What's the one derivation is? Integration of cosecant x dx, right? I1 means what? Just I1 means what? Just I1. So one time derivation, integration of cosecant x dx, I1. So integration of cosecant x dx means what? I think, log of tan x by 2. Let's see. This is your textbook answer of I5. This is I taken, it's my formal conversation. This is I missed out something else. What is this here? Because cosecant x dx, right? N minus 2, here n minus 2 by n minus 1. Here I should take n minus 2, right? It is I2, right? N minus 2 means 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 means 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Something is 0. This is 0. Sorry to understand. This is value 0. For this question, this is the answer. Okay. This is n minus 2 by n minus 1. This is simple answer. This is cosecant power dx. Okay. Till this, we are very clear about it. The next discussion, we have to derive the value of secant x dx. Now let us start the secant x dx. Okay.